Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to increase your Wi-Fi speed on Windows 11. Let's get started. Let's begin with step 1. Unplug the router from the power source. Wait for about 10 to 15 seconds and then plug it back in. This refreshes the connection and often fixes slow internet speeds. Now, step 2 is to disable background apps. Some apps running in the background can slow down your internet. Here's how to stop them. Press Windows and I to open Settings. Now, go to Apps, and then click on Installed Apps. Look for apps that you don't need running. Click the app, choose Advanced Options, and set Background App Permissions to Never. This stops unnecessary apps from using your Wi-Fi. Next, Step 3. Change your network bandwidth settings. To ensure Windows isn't reserving bandwidth, follow these steps. Press Windows and R to open the Run dialog. Type gpedit.msc and hit Enter. Now, go to Computer Configuration, then Administrative Templates, then Network, and finally, QoS Packet Scheduler. Double-click on Limit Reservable Bandwidth. Select Enabled and set the bandwidth limit to 0%. Click Apply, then OK. This ensures you get the full internet speed. For Step 4, update your Wi-Fi driver. Outdated drivers can slow down your Wi-Fi. Here's how to update them. Right-click the Start menu and choose Device Manager. Expand the Network Adapters section. Find your Wi-Fi adapter, right-click on it, and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers, and let Windows update it for you. Step 5 is about adjusting your power mode to prioritize performance. Here's how to do it. Press Windows and I to open Settings. Go to System, and then click on Power and Battery. Under Power Mode, click the drop-down and select Best Performance. This ensures your PC prioritizes speed and performance over saving energy. For Step 6, flush the DNS and reset your network settings. Sometimes, clearing the DNS can boost your internet speed. Follow these steps. Search for Command Prompt in the search bar and select Run as Administrator. Type these commands one by one and press Enter after each. Once done, restart your computer for the changes to take effect. Now, Step 7 is to switch to the 5 GHz band if your router supports it. Here's how. Open Device Manager. Expand Network Adapters, and right-click on your Wi-Fi adapter. Select Properties, and go to the Advanced tab. Look for an option called Preferred Band or Wireless Mode. Set it to 5 GHz. This gives you faster Wi-Fi performance if you're close to the router. Finally, Step 8 is optional but highly effective. Use an Ethernet cable. Connecting your PC directly to the router bypasses Wi-Fi limitations and gives you a stable, high-speed connection. And that's it. Try these steps, and you'll notice a big improvement in your Wi-Fi speed on Windows 11.